Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic. My topic is influence.com. Turn creators into revenue, influence marketing, affiliate program, create management, user generated content, brand ambassador, build valuable partnership to grow your business. Amazon's ads. See how influence work. Find the best influence. Creators influence discovery. Find the best influence creator who already love your brand. Our data shows that your brand's existing influential customers are 7 times more likely to accept a collaboration. Not just any creators, the right ones. Find truly complementary creators based off the data, content and performance to fit your brands on our influence marketing platform. Data driven tracking makes smart decision with affluence data rich influence profiles. Measure, optimize and iterate your campaigns to reach double digit RO. Save time on influence management. Experience the most powerful creator workflow. Manage your influence campaigns in a snap with a complete automated and customized workflow tool. See all creators hired, drafts submitted, sales generated, and payments issued in one place. Easily hire influence and affiliate. Hire the best influences for fruitful and long-term collaboration with your brand. Affluence provides influence, contract templates, and an all mailing assistant to make your life easier and streamline the hiring process. Generate unique prop cards. Drive roll with influence marketing on Amazon. Simply your affiliate campaigns. Manage all the steps of your influence affiliate campaign in just one place thanks to our CMS Amazon attribution and payment integration. Regains hours of your week to scale your programs. Stand out in a covered market. Direct traffic from influence to your Amazon listing, improving organic ranking, visibility, and scales. Structure motivating rewards for creators. Motivate creators with clear performance based incentives to enhance their engagement and pay them directly within Upfluence with PayPal or Stripe. Pay influence, send creators free products, pay influence affiliate and creators click. Automate commission, calculation and payment request, pay directly with Affluency Pay powered by Stripe or connect your PayPal account and pay your partners easily and regularly. All in one influence, gifting, give your creators and appreciate. All in one influence gifting, give your creators and affiliate the freedom to choose the products they want to promote directly from your story store with a single link. They can select their size, color and enter their shipping details and manage orders with one click order confirmation. Pay creators in any currency, easily pay creators in any currency and automatically retrieve legal documents. Measure influence and affiliate campaigns, track sales and ROI automatically. Get precise sales tracking and role calculation for any influence and affiliate campaign using our feature rich influence marketing platform. Aggregate campaign result in a custom dashboard. See all the result of your campaigns in one place. Revenue, ROI, AOV, commission to be paid to influence etc. Build your personalized dashboard and make data driven decision. Now which influence performs the best. Find out which influence in your campaign rate in the most clicks with individual tracking links. Have a clear overview of your total clicks and views, click through rate and influence engagement rate. track individual sales generated and roll by affiliate. So guys, read our customer stories. Merit Bonway campaign reached 11M through niche create partnership. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.